Hey there, science enthusiasts! Welcome back. Today, we're plunging into the captivating world of H2O, exploring 10 remarkable properties of water. Brace yourselves as we dive headfirst into the amazing universe of this life-sustaining wonder. Ready to be amazed as we dive into the fascinating world of water? First up, water has a high heat capacity. This means that it can soak up and hold on to a significant amount of heat energy without its temperature changing dramatically. Think of water as a heat sponge, absorbing the sun's warmth during the day and slowly releasing it at night. This ability plays a crucial role in stabilizing our planet's climate, preventing extreme temperature fluctuations that could be harmful. Moreover, it helps maintain a consistent environment in our oceans, rivers, and lakes. This property helps regulate our climate and keeps aquatic environments stable. Water is often called the universal solvent. This is due to its polar nature, which allows it to engage with a wide array of substances, from salts to sugars, acids to bases, and gases like oxygen or carbon dioxide. Water has the ability to dissolve them all. This property isn't just for show, though. It plays a critical role in our daily lives. Water facilitates important chemical reactions in our bodies, like digestion, and helps in maintaining balance in our environment. This property is essential for chemical reactions in our bodies and the environment. Water exhibits surface tension. This intriguing property is like an invisible skin on water's surface, a result of water molecules clinging tightly to each other. It's the force that allows small objects, even some insects, to seemingly defy gravity and float on water. Remarkably, it also permits certain creatures, like the water strider, to effortlessly walk on water, as if treading on a tightrope of liquid. This subtle yet vital characteristic of water shapes the lives of these organisms. This property enables certain organisms to walk on water. Water molecules are attracted to each other, cohesion, and to other substances, adhesion. These are not just fancy science terms, but they're what makes water so special. Cohesion causes water to form droplets and helps it flow smoothly. Adhesion, on the other hand, lets water stick to other substances, like the sides of a glass or the cells in a plant's stem. Together, cohesion and adhesion enable capillary action, allowing plants to draw water upward against gravity. These properties facilitate the flow of blood in our bodies. Water's density decreases as it freezes, causing ice to float. This might seem like a quirky fact, but it's a vital property that sets the stage for life in the most frigid corners of our planet. As water cools, it becomes denser, heavier until it reaches 4 degrees Celsius. Below this point, the water molecules start forming a crystalline structure that takes up more space, making it less dense than the surrounding liquid water. This property allows life to thrive in cold environments. Water requires a substantial amount of energy to evaporate. This is what we call water's high specific heat of vaporization. Picture this. On a hot day, your body releases sweat, which is essentially water. When this sweat evaporates, it takes away a great deal of heat with it, cooling your body. So this characteristic of water is a lifesaver, quite literally, in the scorching heat of summer. This property helps regulate our body temperature. Water is transparent to visible light. This might seem like a simple fact, but it's an incredibly important property for life on Earth. Because of this transparency, sunlight can penetrate water, reaching the aquatic plants and algae below the surface. These organisms harness the sun's energy to drive photosynthesis, a process that generates oxygen and forms the base of many aquatic food chains. Without water's transparency to visible light, these underwater ecosystems would look very different. This property allows sunlight to penetrate and support photosynthesis in underwater plants and algae. Hydrogen bonding between water molecules gives it its unique properties. Let's delve into this concept. Each water molecule is polar, with the oxygen atom being slightly negative and the hydrogen atom slightly positive. This polarity allows water molecules to form hydrogen bonds, creating a network of interconnected molecules. These bonds contribute to water's high surface tension, allowing it to resist external forces. They also enable cohesion, the attraction between similar substances, resulting in phenomena like water droplets forming. This property gives water its unique properties. Water's expansion upon freezing can be seen in the formation of beautiful ice crystals. This happens because when water freezes, its molecules arrange themselves into an open hexagonal form, which occupies more space. This is why ice is less dense than liquid water. The expansion of freezing water exerts a powerful force, enough to break rocks and crack pipes. This property has implications for Earth's geological processes, contributing to the weathering of rocks and the formation of landscapes over time. Water's solvent properties are vital for the transport of nutrients and waste in living organisms. Water, with its exceptional solvent abilities, can carry nourishing substances to every cell, dissolve waste products for easy removal, and even transport hormones to regulate body functions. It's an ideal medium for most biochemical reactions, all thanks to its polar nature that can embrace both positive and negative ions. This property, in its essence, is what allows life to flourish in all its diversity. This property makes water the basis of life. So, these are the 10 incredible properties of water. From its high heat capacity to its role as the universal solvent, water is truly remarkable. Thanks for joining us on this fascinating exploration of water. Stay curious, stay hydrated, and keep exploring the wonders of science.